Okay, in this short video I'm going to demonstrate the SOS feature on the Landtrax app. So right now here I am set as Dan, this is my green ute, and I've got my colleague over here, my teammate John, who is set up in the orange tractor. Now let's say that my friend John here is having some trouble and he needs to put out an SOS beacon. He's lost somewhere. He just brings out his menu and he can just go SOS. Now he wants to confirm this, and now what's happened is just set out an SOS alert. As you can see, we've got a little beacon popping up there. And then what's going to happen now on my screen is I've seen we've got an SOS alert from John C. So I can find out where he is just by pressing the icon over here, and there he is. So I can see that that's where he is, that's how fast he's going, and now I can easily get some help over to him straight away. So there you go, that's a demonstration of the SOS feature. Oh, and lastly, over here for John, if the situation has been resolved, he can just click resolve and he confirms that, and the SOS status kind of goes away. And the same will appear on my screen over here once it's updated. So there we go. That's a full demonstration of the SOS alert feature.